Hey guys, it's Josh. Today we're going to talk about OneDrive DLP and what are those use cases. The use case I'm going to present today is only allowing uploads to your corporate file share. So I'm going to walk you through a potential use case and how you would configure that directly in Cato. All right, so let's get started. Here I'm at the main page when I log in, my Cato management application. Let me switch over to this kind of quick diagram that I built. So you have an accounting user or someone in your accounting department that you're using OneDrive or any file share to upload accounting files or critical files into your file share. The box could be any SaaS-based file share. What you want to alleviate is the potential for taking critical files and uploading those to personal OneDrives, to phishing OneDrives, to other file shares where your critical and sensitive files should not be. So how do we stop that? How do we add rules to be able to inspect that traffic and ensure that it's adhering to your corporate standards? So here you see the accounting user. There's some rules I'm going to show you. So one of the rules is going to say allow to your corporate file share. And then the other one is going to be ensuring that you cannot upload to anything else, to any other OneDrive. So in this case, we're saying you can upload to the file share of the corporate and you can download, but you cannot upload anywhere else. Okay, so that's the idea, so that someone in accounting doesn't get phished to move accounts payables to an off corporate file share or their personal file share, putting critical business files in there. So what does that look like in practical terms? Let's go into the Cato CMA client and let's go to security. And we can look at the DLP configuration. This is where you're going to inspect for those individual pieces for the DLP configuration. But right here, we're just going to do application control, keep it simple. Here's where you build the rules. I'll just quickly click on one of these rules to kind of show you what it looks like here. You can do the application, activity, source, device, and posture. And then I want to show you, I'll go into details on this one, on the upload. So we're going to block the upload. So we're saying, hey, what's the application? The application is OneDrive. We want to upload. And what is the action? And there's a lot of other things you can do here. I'm keeping it simple. I'm going to block it. Okay, so now we have allow to the corporate file share, and we're blocking the upload to anywhere else to stop the accounting team from sending critical application traffic to an unknown file share. So let's look at that and do an actual test here. Okay, so here I have my personal OneDrive and I'm working throughout the day, or I have a OneDrive that I got phished into and I don't even realize is different. I take my accounts payable file, and upload it to here, and it just should just spin. So we'll let that spin. We'll come back to it for a second. Let's do the same thing into my corporate file share here. I'll take the same file, my accounts payable file that I'm uploading. So we're uploading the account payable file to the OneDrive test file. And let's watch it. Okay, yep, uploaded and it completed. And I compare that to here, and it's not working. It's stopping that. Okay, so now let's look and see what does that look like inside of the monitoring. So we go to the monitoring tab, and we can then go and look at the individual events associated with those transactions. And then we can look at the DLP, the data loss prevention. So we're seeing here in the last hour, OneDrive uploads, we've blocked a number of attempts. Okay, that's interesting. Good. So now we've seen that, and now I can go and I can look and see, well, what are those attempts look like? Who is that, right? So now I have this huge data lake that we store for you at Cato, and you can see here's the action of blocked, and it's the file sharing of upload, and we can see here's the user because they're connected with our SDP client, and here's the machine name. So you got all these rich details associated with the transactions associated with that. And so you could do the same thing and show the allow because that was allowed, right? So this is a really good use case of using Cato's DLP to stop individual file shares from particular OneDrive accounts, not just basic firewall rules, but saying intricate details associated with it's okay to send it to the corporate OneDrive. It's absolutely not okay to upload to anywhere else. And we did that simply with a quick couple of rules. We upload it and it stopped immediately. Hope this is helpful, guys. Thanks so much.